Welcome to today's tutorial, where we're going to explore an exciting feature in Shiny, a popular R framework for building web applications. If you've ever built interactive dashboards or data visualization tools using Shiny, you might have come across the need to create custom input controls that allow users to select multiple ranges of value. That's exactly what we'll be covering today, creating a multi-range slider in Shiny. In this video, we'll break down the process into simple steps and provide a thorough explanation of each part involved. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a solid understanding of how to create your own custom multi-range sliders in Shiny, making it easier for users to interact with your applications. So let's dive right in. When building interactive applications, providing users with an intuitive way to select multiple ranges of values is crucial. This could be selecting specific date ranges, filtering data by specific categories, or even controlling the zoom level on a map visualization. While Shiny provides a variety of input controls out of the box, sometimes these pre-built options aren't enough. The good news is that creating custom multi-range sliders in Shiny isn't as daunting as it might sound. To start with, we need to understand how standard range sliders work, and then build upon that concept. Essentially, what we're aiming for is two connected slider inputs, where each slider can be moved independently, but still maintain a relationship with the other. Let's use an analogy to help illustrate this better. Think of these multi-range sliders as two magnets on a fridge door. You can move them around, and they might have different values or positions, but there's a clear connection between the two. In our Shiny app, we want users to be able to adjust both ends of the range independently, while ensuring that one end doesn't surpass the other. Just like those magnets can't jump off the fridge door. To achieve this functionality in Shiny, you would typically use JavaScript libraries or customize existing input controls through CSS and JavaScript. However, for our purposes today, we'll focus on understanding the conceptual steps involved, rather than getting into specific code snippets. Here's a simplified overview of what you'd need to do first. You would create two separate slider inputs using Shiny's slider input function. Then, you'd use some form of JavaScript, such as Query, to link these sliders together so that moving one affects the other in a way that maintains their relative positioning. Finally, you might also want to customize the appearance of your multi-range slider through CSS. This could involve changing colors, adding labels, or even altering the shape and size of the slider handles. So what should you take away from this tutorial? Firstly, understand that creating custom input controls like a multi-range slider in Shiny requires breaking down complex interactions into simpler components. Secondly, know that it's not just about coding. Understanding how users interact with your application and what makes for an intuitive user experience is crucial. Lastly, remember that while today we focused on the conceptual side of things without getting into specific code, there are many resources available online to help you implement these ideas in practice. That concludes our tutorial on creating a multi-range slider in Shiny. I hope this video has provided you with a solid foundation for tackling more complex interactive input controls in your own applications. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next, please don't hesitate to leave them in the comments below. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider liking it and subscribing to our channel for more content on building web applications with Shiny and other R packages. We'll see you in the next video.